This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 72. Why interest comes and goes when signals return before stability. After boredom softens, something new often happens. Small sparks appear, brief interests, sudden curiosity, and just as quickly they disappear. This can feel confusing. Why did I care yesterday and feel nothing today? Was it fake? Did I imagine it? Biologically, this is expected. When the nervous system exits long-term protection, signals return before consistency. Interest appears as a test signal. The system is asking, is it safe to engage? Is this effort survivable? Can I withdraw without cost? So curiosity pulses on, off, on again. This is not instability. It is calibration. During survival, dopamine was used for urgency. Now it is being reintroduced carefully, not to lock you into direction, but to check responsiveness. This is why interests flicker before they stabilize. Nothing needs to be acted on yet. Following every spark too quickly can overwhelm the system and push it back into protection. Let interest come, let it go, let it return on its own. Consistency arrives later, after the body trusts engagement again. Observe interest, don't chase it. Stability comes before commitment. Next episode. Why choosing too early can shut curiosity down. Thank you.